This is not what RFRA was designed to do, to protect parents who are child abusers.
A mother accused of beating her son with a coat hanger claims her religious beliefs and Indiana's religious freedom law make her actions legal.
Tonight, Eyewitness News reporter Rich Van Wyk looks at the law and also the ensuing controversy.
Anne-Marie, this case involves parental rights, religious freedom, and the protection of young children. Court documents say the mother believed that without punishment, her son would not earn God's salvation. Pictures of the boy's injuries are painful to look at. Medical workers counted 36 bruises and welts on the boy's back, arm, head, and leg. Investigators say 30-year-old Kin Partang admitted hitting her 7-year-old with a coat hanger, punishment for endangering a younger sister.
You're entitled to spank your child. However, there is a line at which that becomes unreasonable.
Marion County Prosecutor Terry Curry.
We believe that this particular defendant went way over that line.
Thang, a Burmese immigrant, and her attorney insist she went the way of her religious faith. A motion to dismiss the criminal charges quoted the Bible verses. Do not withhold discipline from a child. If you strike him with a rod, he will not die. If you strike him with the rod, you will save his soul from Sheol. RFRA, the motion insisted, makes Thang immune from prosecution.
We predicted this is exactly what was going to happen, is that individuals would assert a religious belief to justify what otherwise is clearly criminal conduct.
The judge refused to dismiss the charges. No surprise to legal experts.
This is not what RFRA was designed to do, to protect parents who are child abusers.
David Orentlicker is a professor at the IU Robert H. McKinney School of Law.
What's going to be more important for the mother in this case is not the Religious Freedom Restoration Act, but the pretty substantial leeway that parents are given to discipline their children.
Ultimately, a jury may draw the lines between child abuse, parental discipline, and religious freedom. According to documents filed by her attorney, the mother participated in parenting and education therapy and now understands there are more effective ways to discipline children without using physical punishment. She is charged with battery and neglect of a dependent. The case is set to go to trial in October. Anne-Marie?
Thanks, Rich. Now, this isn't the first time the religious freedom law was used in a way that lawmakers didn't intend or even likely expect. One notable example of that was the First Church of Cannabis. That's when Bill Levin opened the church about a year ago when the law went into effect. He did it to test the law by using marijuana during the service. He ended up never doing that, but just the idea created a lot of attention. And by the way, that church is still in operation today.
And let's turn to the weather now. There are a few storms here and there on live Doppler 13 radar, but despite those gray clouds you see downtown, things are dry in the center of the city tonight.